I'm Terry Fiddler from Hiab. We're on the road today, roadshowing our new technology. Our new generation cranes are loaded with technology that make the crane safer, faster, and they make the crane easier to operate. CTC is a feature that we developed to bring about simpler operation and at all times boom optimization. So right now the boom is not optimized. When you go to CTC mode, the first thing it will do is optimize the boom. So watch, the forks are going to stay still while the boom resets itself. So once the boom gets to that optimized position, then it says, okay, now we can do what you want me to do. What we're going to do is show you how easy it is now to put the forks into a pallet. Each paddle now represents a direction as opposed to a boom. So all you think of now is left and right on the slew, up and down on the first paddle, horizontal movements on the third paddle, and that's it. So how does this apply on a job site? You're not constantly having that challenge of, hold on a moment, second boom down a bit, telly out a bit, no, first boom down a bit. You haven't got to think about that at all. You've just got to think, have I got to go up or down, or have I got to go in or out? So much easier. If you want to go straight up, you just hold the paddle and it will now operate all three booms to make that boom go perfectly up. Because I'm only asking it to go vertical, as soon as the boom cannot keep it in that vertical line, it will stop. Training someone with CTC is so much easier. That's just where we are today with technology. It has brought the learning curve from beginner to proficient from 6 months down to 2 weeks. So what do you think of CTC?
I think it's amazing.
So easy, eh?
It's really impressive.
What do you think of CTC?
That's great, man. I like that.
What LSS does, or if an operator comes off an operation harshly, LSS literally takes over the operation at that point, minimising the bounce in the boom and minimising the potential of damaging the load. So I'm going to lower it down and I'm going to stop harshly and then watch the paddles carry on doing something to counteract that. So the brain is constantly saying, okay, this bounce there, I'll correct that to make sure that the boom stays as level as possible. 95% of crane turnovers happen because a crane's been short rigged. So as I slew round, obviously VSL knows that you've short rigged it, so it will reduce the capacity to keep the truck stable. Gives you a beep to say you're getting close to it, slows the crane down, and ultimately will stop it. There you go. So it's going to stop it there. That's where it says, okay, you're getting to the unstable limit, even though I'm still saying keep going. With Hiab's new generation cranes comes VSL Plus. VSL Plus takes into account the load on the bed of the truck and how that acts as ballast to counterbalance the crane when lifting at long reaches. If I now put a load on the bed, it's going to read that and give me more capacity. So you can actually get really good capacity with the outriggers short rigged. From a company owner perspective, from a safety perspective, you can't beat that. So when you're out in the field, what happens is you find everything becomes a lot more efficient, a lot smoother, and a lot easier to get more out of the crane. Put all those features together, place them with some of our old classic features like automatic speed control and pump flow distribution, and you really have got a state-of-the-art piece of equipment.